The 1% rule, atomic habit to said James Clear, writer 1% rule. You can develop your personality. You develop your any things to you learn in extra. You learn in 1%, 1% a day. So you develop your 1 years to you develop 37 37.5% you growth in your life, and you do not invest in your life to 1% per day. You decrease in your life. So some important the 1% rule are saying for per day 1% are growing in every area, any area to you developing. First, for example, you learn English speaking, so you try to learn about in yourself. You speaking English, you will some accepts the points to how to create and build your personality to 1% per day. You choose, you have an idea, you cannot be able, you are focusing in yourself, your development in your mindset, your career building. You have been you choose a powerful path for your life to you describe in 1% a growth in per day, in 1%, only 1%, only 1% in not bad. You can start a exercise in 2 minutes, only 2 minutes you will start a 1% growth in per day. So you will extract in your life to your decision. Your decision is making for your life to you decision. You build a career in yourself, your development, in growth in your mindset. So now I will be explain your some examples of your life to I will correct, and some importance of your life to you will be share in your growth in mindset to you will invest in your 1%, yani 1 minute per day you invest in, and growth per month you growth per your yearly growth, and your 5 years goals are definitely in success in 1% you per day you growth in 5 years are a totally transform your personality. You become a most dangerous personality in deadly personality to you build a character in yourself to you build a powerful message to you continuous to you learning your path is learning. You extremely hardcore personality to you will be developed. You not be able, you cannot just imagine. You are a most dangerous personality in the one in the only step, only start a small step. So you can start a small step, a self growth challenge to will start.